Hey, what's up, Dividend Nomads? Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to dive into the portfolio today, give you a quick update on what's going on there. So a lot of stuff's been turning green and all that, and so I want to share that with you and also share with you my thoughts about what I want to do next moving forward. For right now, sorry, I'm a little bit under the weather, like I got a sore throat or like a scratchy throat or something, so it's like, I don't know, my voice is a little messed up. I don't feel that good, to be honest with you, but I wanted to make a video, so here we are. So let's record the screen. 3, 2, 1, bam. All right, let's open up Charles Schwab. So here we are in the account. Let's just go here to the home page. I'll refresh it for you. So right now, this is 9 o'clock in the morning here in China. The Dow closed at 0.1%, NASDAQ closed at 0.4%, and the S&P closed at 0.16%, and my portfolio closed at up 1%. So I outperformed the markets yesterday. I got $58,159 in this account. $11,174 is cash, and I did not add any money to this portfolio. And if I show you my positions here, Misty, 1,003 shares, and you can see this says it's minus 4% right now, but in total return, Misty, hold on, let me tell you, it's up 26%. So Misty's doing really good right now. XDTE, 203 shares, and I got some fractional shares there. This one is on drip, so I'm just letting these drip back in because I'm not using the dividends right now. So this one, it says I'm down 1.3% on market return, but this one is green on total return, and it's up 1.5% on total return. So it's doing okay, not too bad. The next one I have here is YMAG. YMAG is 429 shares, and this one is also on drip right now. And let me see, it says it's down 14.5% on the market return, but that's not correct if you factor in the total return. But factoring in total return, it is still down. It's negative 8%. So I need to get positive on this one, and when this one does get positive, I did make up my mind that I'm going to go ahead and cut this one. I don't really love the Magnificent Seven right now, and I'll make a video about that for you guys later, why I think this is going to change. But yeah, so I'm looking forward to cutting this actually, and but it's only 8%, so I'm gonna let it get positive first. It won't take long. Anyway, QDTE, 162 shares, and I got some partial shares here too. And this one is also on drip. I'm just letting this drip. I'm not using the dividends or nothing like that, so just let it drip and add to itself. You can see this one's up 2.5% on the market return, and on the total return, this is up. Is it 3%? This is up, yeah, 3%, 3.07% to be exact. It's up 3% on the total return, and up to, what did it say? 2.5% market return. NVIDIA is the second negative position. The rest of them are all green on total return. But yeah, NVIDIA, only 40 shares. This one is down, you can see 21%. On total return, NVIDIA is down 8.5%. So it's still negative 8.5%. I need to get this 8.5% back. What does that look like? If the price stayed stable and didn't move at all, I would need another $75 in dividends to break even. So that's not going to happen now because it's only got 40 shares, and 40 shares, I don't think it's going to pay $75. So it's going to take a couple months, unless the price just suddenly goes up. Then you know, we can get even faster, and I can cut this one because I do want to cut NVIDIA from the portfolio as well. And then the last position you see is YBTC, and I only have 10 shares of this one, and you can see it's up 5.6% on the market return. And on the total return, it's the same thing because I haven't received any dividends from YBTC yet. So hopefully I'll be receiving some dividends this Friday from it, but it's only 10 shares, so no big deal. It might be, I don't know, like $3 or $4 or something like that. Nothing special, but it is a starter position, and I plan on growing this one as soon as possible. So I'm going to be putting some money here too. So yeah, looking forward to doing that. So just a quick recap: why MAG and NVIDIA are on the chopping block. They're out of here as soon as they get positive, and both of those positions are down 8%, 8.47% for NVIDIA and 8.08% for YMAG. And once they do turn positive, I will cut them from the portfolio. And for right now, the only Yield Max fund that I'm keeping is Misty. I might pick up some other stuff. I'm kind of thinking about what to do, because there's a couple of things that I just needed to double check all their funds again. But right now, with the way the economy's going and all the news I'm seeing and the things that are happening here in China, I'm quite bullish on China. So I'm looking out for some good Chinese companies that might have some momentum behind them. So that's what I'm looking for. In terms of Yield Max, I want some momentum. And if I can't find it, then, you know, that's fine. I'll just go somewhere else, or I'll keep investing into the overall market. And because the markets, you know, over time, they usually do good. And I like being in line with the market. And even if that means I get less dividends, that's okay. At least my portfolio is more stable. And it's easy to have, you know, to follow what the market does. And it's easier to get, you know, a positive, not just total return, but a positive market return without having to reinvest all the dividends. So, yeah, I'm probably going to keep moving forward in that direction, but I am looking for some momentum stuff to get behind. So you might see some of those plays coming up soon. I got to do some research on that, but I'll share that video with you guys soon on why MAG and why I don't love it. And I got like a cool little chart to show you and all this other stuff. So I'll get into that video when I get some free time. And yeah, that's really all I got for you guys today. I'm gonna drink some water here, and hopefully got my Chinese water. Drink some water here, and hopefully get better. Starting to get a sore throat. The weather's been crazy here. It's been changing hot and cold, hot and cold. So anyway, you guys don't care about all that anyway. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.